In this video, you're going to see how to use an alternative scale for grading for one of your assignments or forums. So the first thing to do is, well, you can do it, you can set it either when you're creating an assignment or after you've created the assignment, you can change the settings. So the first thing you do, as with everything else, is to turn editing on. And then we're just going to go down to an assignment that's already been created. And there's one down here. So just going to go down to edit settings. And the setting that you want to change is listed under grade. So you click grade, and this setting will normally be set to none or to point. This needs to be changed to scale. And you'll see that when you set it, there are three different options. You want to select UV letter grading scheme, and everything else is the same, and save and return to course. Now, the one thing that you need to do to be sure is that if you use that scale for any of your assignments, you want to be sure that your grades calculate correctly. And so go into grade, and you want to go into gradebook setup. So grade report setup, and then make sure that for every category, or for the category that you used your custom scale, that the aggregation is set either to mean of grades or to weighted mean of grades. And so I'm just going to set it to mean. And you want that, normally natural would be the default, but you want to switch it to mean. And switch that to scale, and UV letter grading scheme. And that's it. So first, make sure you set your grading scale, then for the assignment, and then set your grading scale for each category. And that's all there is to it. Note also that for your grades, the letter grading scale has been re-edited so that it is aligned with that of UB. So it's not critical that you actually reset each of your grades to each of your assignments to letter grades, unless you want to actually grade them this way. The letter grades now are in line with what we have at UB. Okay, and that's all there is to it. So just to review, turn editing on, go to an assignment, and I'll do a different one this time. Edit settings. And, oh, wait, that's just a file, sorry. We need to go to an assignment down in Unit 3. I'll change this one here, because that one has normal scale. Go to grade, and set the scale, the type of grade to scale, and UV letter grading scheme. That's all there is to it. So hope this helped, and good luck.